step into the Kia 2019 Optima EX. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include 1.6-liter inline four-cylinder DOHC engine, 201 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, AC power outlet, 1 adaptive cruise control, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control and audio controls on steering wheel. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.